Fast-moving winter storm is well underway here in New York City. 8 inches of snow is expected in the city. The city is asking residents to stay off the roads. New York City public schools will be shut down. They will be going remote. Catholic schools and private schools will be shut down. U.S. largest school district with over 900,000 students, as I mentioned, is switching to remote classes.
As the forecasts continue to shift, we will continue to notify New Yorkers. It's going to be low visibility, high wind gusts, ending by early afternoon, as well as up to 2 feet of coastal flooding along vulnerable shorelines. We're taking this storm extremely serious.
The Metropolitan Transportation Authority in New York is preparing for this storm. It has been preparing. It is installing its bus fleet with snow chains for this storm.
Beginning on our midnight shift tonight, thousands of New York City sanitation workers will be putting salt on every street, every highway, every bike lane in the city, and we will be prepared to plow every street, every highway, and every bike lane as soon as accumulations hit 2 inches or more.
In northeastern New Jersey, snow is falling. Forecasters say wind gusts could hit 100 kilometers per hour off the Massachusetts coast and 65 kilometers per hour in the interior southern New England. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.